Welcome to the Adding Inventory Indexes video for your salon and spa management software. Adding indexes for vendors, manufacturers, and categories is required before putting your first product in. In order to add an individual product, whether for sale to your customers or for use, you need to be able to tell the system who you're buying it from, who makes it, and what category it falls under. Those are our indexes. And the way we create those is by going to the Inventory Title button, selecting Indexes, Vendor, Add Modify. Then we put in our code. I'm going to put in a company by the name of California Supplies. So my code, CS, references that name, California Supplies. And save. That's it. I've successfully added a vendor. Once all of the vendors are added, code, name, save, etc., just press cancel. And now, unlike manufacturers and categories, the vendors need an address file. So we select Inventory, Indexes, Vendor, Address File. All of the vendors that I've added will be listed here, so I can choose my new vendor, like California Supplies, and now put in the address information. The rep's name, email address, any terms you may have. You don't need the fax number or the remarks. You don't even need the terms, but you can send this out via fax. You can send it out via email directly through the software as well. What do I mean when I say you can send this out? I'm talking about the purchase order, of course, for this vendor for whatever products you're planning on purchasing. Once this information is in, select Accept and choose your next vendor and fill that information out as well. Once you have filled out all the address files for all of your vendors, simply cancel. And now we can add our manufacturers. Adding manufacturers is much faster because there is no need for an address file. Inventory, Indexes, Manufacturer, Add Modify. We put in a code. In this case, I'm going to choose Marina Cosmetics, so MC would be a valid code. Codes are always only 2 characters long. And save. Code, name, save. And continue to do that until all of your manufacturers are in the system. Once in, select Cancel. Now we go back to Inventory, Indexes, Categories, Add Modify. This category I'm going to say is UV for my code, and the name is UV Protection. And save. Again, code, name, save, until all of your categories are in the system. Once done, you can press cancel, and you are now ready to start adding product, which we will focus on in our next video. Thank you.